In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Binance. This video is only for educational purpose only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you. Open your Binance. You need to get your Ethereum wallet address. So wait for it to load up. Click on this. Click on the first option. So just wait for it to gradually load up. So click on Ethereum. So the first option is the Ethereum ERC20. So click on it to be able to get your Ethereum Binance wallet address. Now go to your Trust wallet. You need to have some Ethereum here. So click on this. Click on send. Come on here, paste your Binance wallet address. Once you have pasted it, that is your Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to send. Once that, I'm going to be able to carry on everything well enough. So this is how I can be able to send or transfer Ethereum from Trust wallet to Binance. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.